Hey, this is Bob Van Allen with this week's step on the road to the rebrand. Hey everybody, thanks so much for an amazing turnout at our rebrand launch party last week. Over 200 of you guys showed up and the energy in the room was fantastic. It was incredible. I love seeing and feeling the energy from all of you as you're excited about what this rebrand opportunity looks like for us as a company and kind of our new identity as Coldwell Banker Tomlinson and our new look. It was fantastic. So thank you so much for everyone that was able to turn out. If you were not able to come to our rebrand launch party last week, I want to make sure that you know that we've got a swag box for you at your office. Swing by and visit with your ACE or your managing broker at your office as soon as you can. We've got new business cards, new logo material and logo product for you, some cards that you can send out to your sphere to announce the new logo and all the branding that we're doing, your new name badges, all that stuff. So you're going to want to make sure that you swing by your office to get that from your ACE or your managing broker. And then I want to talk to you a little bit about the yard sign transition. So if you were at the event, you know this, but we have contracted with Post Reps, a local sign installation company, to install our brand new signs, and that starts right now. Actually, it's already started. I've seen a few already, which is awesome. But this week we are focusing on our residential resale inventory. So active and pending listings that have signs in the front yards, we are switching those over for you. The company is doing that, no charge to you. We're having your ACE should reach out to you and schedule this, but if you have one of those listings, make sure you're talking with your ACE and with your seller about that transition this week to the new sign. So I want to talk to you a little bit about the opportunity that I think it brings you to connect with people and to market yourself in this whole rebrand. I want to focus on the additional opportunity for business that we think this creates for you. So if I were still selling and I had a sign being switched over, I'd go out to my listing after the sign was changed and I'd take a selfie or I'd do a video there and post it on my social, and I'd just say, hey, look, we're really excited about our new identity. Here's the new sign going in front of my listing at 123 Main Street. Is anyone else interested in having one of these signs placed in their front yard? I'd love to talk to you as your trusted real estate professional as we approach the busy selling season. We're really excited about the Coldwell Banker North Star, Project North Star, logo change, all of that. So really use this as an opportunity to put something on your own social media and your own marketing. And don't forget to really connect with your sellers, your current sellers right now. Hey, we're putting this new sign out. We're really excited about the new branding and the new logo and the story that it represents. Use this as an opportunity to connect with people, both current clients as well as prospective. So thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome week, and we'll see you next week with the next step on the road to the rebrand.